And for our IDE, we decided to go with Eclipse primarily because of the fact that it's open source, and we also like it because of its seamless source control integration. What you want to do first is, once again, bring up a web browser, head to www.eclipse.org, and then once you're there, look for the downloads link. And what we're looking for is Eclipse for PHP developers. And for this tutorial, we're grabbing the Windows 64-bit. Go ahead and start the download. Now there is no installer for Eclipse, so what you'll get is you'll download a zip file, just extract it, and then let's go ahead and get it started up. Alright, and there we go. Now there's a couple things we need to do. We want to set up a default web browser, and we also want to get Xdebug set up as our debugger. So to start with, we'll go to the Window menu, head down to Preferences, then expand the General node, then head down to Web Browser, and you can really pick anything you want here. We just recommend you do something other than the default. Apply. Alright, now let's head down to the PHP node and head to the debug node, and from there we're going to go ahead and switch the PHP debugger to Xdebug. Okay, click apply and you're done with that. What we want to do now is install the Bazaar plugin for Eclipse so that we can integrate with our source control. Quickest way to do this is to go up to your help menu, go to install new software, and in the work with section, you can just type in this URL. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to copy it down. And here's the Bazaar plugin. Go ahead and click it, hit next. Right, hit next again. You're going to need to accept the terms of the license agreement, and then hit finish to install it. And when it's done, you're going to need to restart Eclipse. And congratulations, we're done setting up the IDE, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now after all that, we're finally ready to install and set up Yii. To get this started, once again, bring up a web browser. This time head to www.yiiframework.com. Head to the download link, Framework. As of the time of this video, the latest stable release is 1.1.7. And go ahead and grab either the zip file or the tar.gz file, whichever you prefer. Once again, you'll get a zip file, so just unzip it. Once you've unpacked it, you're probably going to want to rename it to something a little generic, like Yii main perhaps. And then we're going to move it into our XAMPP directory, so go ahead and cut that. And then head over to wherever you installed XAMPP. Hopefully it's in your C drive /XAMPP. And go ahead and paste it into here. And then give yourself a nice pat on the back. You're all done setting up and configuring your development environment, and you're ready to start coding Yii web applications. And we will be here to walk you through your first couple applications in the next tutorial. And please keep a lookout for our next tutorial, building your first Yii application. Once again, my name is James Wilson. I'm a member of the Iterative Reductionists team, and on behalf of David Randolph and Matthew Klitgard, thank you for watching this video.